Hato pimut banto ikan NEET exam mentau senam ke Emmanuel Kuching Academy ke Aiching Hikai nak benta kitu ki bapen kre ya kan NEET exam. Ni penbiang ya ki materials ki sample papers bat kiwai de. Bantuk company phone hakini ki number ni 1 meet sha office.
Kasanggar Dev College long hagasi thoding ka khatsaldre gurumphang arjar arpusan kalaplong ya ka jinge theritai halor ka article laispa nyophuwei bat ka 6th schedule ya ka balapolong hapo auditorium hall chongka college hakane ka jinge ther lawan banya chimenta do ba Manuel Badwar ukurtong ye kun MDC jongka congress nalam khra malki uba Robert Jun Kharjarin mamik mat nakmenta ka UDP ba mewan care lingdo naga BJP ba Erwin Kis im sutunga bat ka Dr. Fenela lingdo nonglai kibade ki senior advocate bat balongru kum kiri shampang ni kiri resource person kani ki jingi ther halo ka article laispa nyophuwe ba ka 6 schedule ka jimunto shibun ye ki samla pulik belawan ban snap pancha skor bha ka Sanggar Dev College kalapalong ye ki jingi ther halor ka article laispa nyophuwe e ka balapan trai kam hapo gajala Nagaland ka article laispa nyophuwe G bapan trai kam hagajala Mizoram par ka article arspa saw ar ne ka 6 schedule
Kintan lalai itu kontrekam jong but sebenarnya ya kata 6 schedule lu bante lakam batan ailat itu kirim pat di badan mengenai notice baginya kita itu justru jong but senchar khara jong kata the true essence of why the 6th schedule was even conceived suki dan kumbah news part like hopefully he recognized tribes hame India. Por basna the 6th schedule kumbang ibang Kharjarin mene ngarang Shimini constitution. I think all political science students should have this. Ngarang nyo kita ki Islaman badan the 6th schedule kita melu arpo arsra. Pisusu ngarang nyo kita selain arpo arsla means quite heavy. Ladang apek pat itagi provisions from the article 371 A, B, C, D kata kadang kumma sisi paragraph balen tipika yesutui which one is heavier in terms of the provisions kadang hapo kita ki provisions on Sakaway, the article 371 kalong kaba ladaki tribals nawe ki chaka pan bangir ikwa panyo kata kasincha kala balong ko visitation notice kung balong mata mengalian kesultan kama pamaye borokhay tekan omgen kumansyo Allah penontam di article 371 hindi omni ni penontam iye history jumpi kanagalan ibang kalau along too proud, they didn't want to be a part. Mak ibang kan nampak asam tak lagi video no. Hindi kami state part kung kini Andhra Pradesh, Sikkim, Goa, Karnataka. Kan bagi pan kau ay artikel 371 tapa om film kami pikwa siapang kerti kedustur, pikwa siapang religion, pikwa siapang ini. It's a process opinion. Ni bawa you article 371 you Takadaw kisadon mong motion article 371 A kadin Nagaland, B Assam, C Manipur, D Andhra Pradesh, E Sikkim, F Sikkim yang mabal divide into 2, Mizoram G Susuam, tikipan ken man kiskit. Pai kejim pensutu cuma kalau beri nice because हम लड़े हैं तक lawyer ते kalau belum bisa constitution for dummies. Tolong habaki pani kita ki obviously ka pass to the act of parliament it's ayo kanya tukaan. Tebang opinion yang nujur hi na patay ka article 371 but the 6th schedule there's a huge difference. Lalo hipay kumong isang ka article 371 kalah benar bro akli yang wake state namar ba hitu ki state can cover the geography bro away. Hapo Mizoram kasih schedule kakabatan ni Chakma kilai berki mara. Kibade tang siya South Mizoram. Mizoram kibade bahag dan tak hakwe kanala population. Itu isi schedule ni dan tang ni Chakma bata. I'll say 30% of the entire geography. Tiki bizo kita kan masih kimio, apa yang baik pak kisah mana, part mana artikel 37 kita apa pak, kita dulu pandai 6 schedule. Asam ke 6 schedule area, kemudian orang kata ide ada schedule area, kita kan kiai, tang bodoh, ukarbi, berkata kacar bel. Kita non show iwi tribe group mungkin missing kiai. Jika sampai kuah pada 6 schedule itu berlaku, kesampai kuah nomor 6 schedule kalau tu comprehensive kalau I buat apa? Tiga orang mana ada ini artikel. Tentang kita di state tiba exist lagi ni kita. Hendak ini kami harian syukur kanai di papia tibudi. 97% of our geography is already under schedule area. Dan part artikel season 1 saya ikut. Kalau it doesn't make sense, then alam counterproductive pun masih orang. Ni sebenarnya artikel 671 if at all ano applicable matang ya kan betul maybe so teban syukran man pensongship pat syaslok syasikin kan kemerjimut patram ya tanya kemudian kalau kebatian itu nong ya constitution ni kan namar syasikin berpikir tweak ke constitution berpikir yang pandai besok syasikin berpikir ni kan ni Khamtam bagidan ki sarkar ki bapher kadang ki sarkar panong ki sarkar pedeng ni ki kemen bha kumo kolong tentang sarkar pedeng ni ke kemen bha bandai lu ti ta power kabangi kum kita ki tribal area hang ne niyo tang katahi hindian nanushin thong bapor shop press the bell and put good no sesibit ni say karan second no thank you so much
Pengesan yang 6 schedule yang Article 371. With the permission of the House, I'll speak in English so that our non-Khasi speaking friends also will understand. When we talk about Article 371, which falls under Part 21 of the Constitution of India, one has to understand that Part 21 starts with three most powerful words. Temporary, which means for a time being, transitional, which can change at any point of time, and special, which means special powers of the Parliament. The Constitution of India, where Dr. Fernand has rightly said, is the source of power for any branch of law. When we talk about the special powers of the Parliament, it is very wide, whereby the Constitution of India grants the power to the Parliament of India to make any modification, giving it the widest effect, including making radical modification, for example, like Article 370, where it was abrogated. To understand Part 21 of the Constitution of India, one has to read in its entirety and not just in a pick and choose policy only what is favorable for us, because each provision of the Constitution of India supplements each other. When we talk about Article 371, although it gives the special powers, 371A and G, special powers to the respective state, whereby the religious and social practices, the customary and procedure and administration of civil and criminal justices cannot be interfered by anyone. It gives a free hand to that part of the state, but then a rider comes which states, shall apply to state of Nigeria unless, this is the rider, unless this legislative assembly of that particular state by resolution so decides. This means that if 371 comes into play in our state, Parliament will have its power to invoke Article 368 amendment of the Constitution, whereby it will lead to the dissolution of the District Council, because Article 242 will also come into play, the doctrine of repugnancy, whereby the central law will always prevail over the state laws. On the other hand, if we talk about the 6th schedule, which empowers our state, which empowers our council, one has to understand why the term autonomous is there. Autonomous means independence. It gives our people, our representative, the independence to make laws, frame laws, and enact the laws that they've made, or legislate those laws without any interference, giving them a free hand, whereby after a bill has been introduced in the district council, they can pass a resolution after getting assent from the governor. That bill can become law, which will protect our customary rights, our land, the tribal belt, and so on and so forth. So in short, before I conclude, my appeal to all the intellectuals gathered in this room to go appease to the public, our friends watching from the comfort of their televisions, from the comfort of their mobile phones, watching this on live, my humble appeal to you, please do not touch the fire where you know your hand will get burned. Already, I do not want to make it controversial. Reservation also has become a chaos, a disaster. For Article 371 also, my humble appeal with folded hands to my fellow friends who are batting for 371, please do not touch the fire where you know that your hand will get burned. Thank you so much.
Anyway, it's also nice that I get the opportunity to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. And seeing you here, it shows that your love for knowledge and the truth supersedes the interest of your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your wife. Thank you very much. The issue of Article 371 has become a public issue in this election due to the fact that the Voice of the People's Party has made it one of the key springboards to power. Nagadao baga BPP ka prolong yaga jika tiga yaga Article 371 baga sexual kung garansam yaga election di jadi bagi yo ibagor te kami kadi isu bersyarai. Hoy, mencuba when I was young, I also thought, because I liked the way the Nagas defended their freedom, the Mizos defended their freedom. So I also thought that Article 371 was in fact something sent by God to us. That is not the truth. As Chief Justice of India, Dr. Hidayatullah, he said that the sixth schedule is a mini constitution. But hanta mengilap ba hakjin keranjung Dr. Ajung Chief Justice Hidayatullah mengilap ba kernet kementeri kadai ke bersaindur kabar pemandur kantam banyalai yang hok kecuali kiriulung di besar di tribal areas. Manual don't mind me lecturing you. Schedule area means under the fifth schedule. Under the sixth schedule, it is the tribal areas as defined by Para 20. Come on, it is not the schedule area. It is the tribal areas. Now, the tribal areas, in fact, under Para 3, you see, I prepared 2 long papers, but I will not read them. You'll please give me your, please send your phone number to me, and I will send all these to you, and you can digest them. My phone number is 8131 919942. Please send the number which you have on WhatsApp. I'll send everything to you. Right now, I'll make it short and sweet, but not over sweet. You see, the basic problem with Article 371, which is Article 3 lies by the way. Kadai belum quit. It is a negative provision within the Constitution. Why? At the time when the Nagas signed the 16-point agreement, the 100-point agreement would decide kira ong banyadai dan dikudustur, banyadai kudusya, banyadai dan kumsensa bisa, and then the equalizer. Ako kay union this assumption, ipon ki mat pada kumka banti umpian, banti uduyong, bakaba. Klan ako terus ibang kran dia masai magre control atomic energy and its minerals. Uranium. Mo, hame haji siapa di political party kita tak. VPP on air Indonesia akan di European. Handrek entry 6 hapok ke union list ada 7 schedule kalau beli lupa kejikan lada kiban rakyat the constitutional process in okay. What does the constitutional process state? It states that any subject within the powers of Parliament, once you have Article 3 as 71, then the union list will override the state list, will override the continent list. The beauty about the 6th schedule is the Supreme Court in Regional Provident Fund Commissioner versus Shillong City Bus Syndicate from us, from here, it has given a clear ruling that the space occupied by Para 3, land, custom, appointment and succession of chiefs and headmen, marriage and divorce, administration of villages, administration of towns, agriculture, June, agriculture, all these are sacrosanct. Kini kalau tentang hapok Para 3, even Parliament cannot pass any acts on this subject. The state government cannot pass any resolution, any motion on this, or pass any acts on the subjects within Para 3. Now we have a naked provision. We have a provision which is protected even by the Supreme Court. Here is where I agree with Barabar. The provisions of Para 12A, saying that the provisions of any act passed by the state government will override the acts of the District Council. This ruling by the Supreme Court has already rendered it null and void. The only thing required for us is to amend the 6th schedule under the proposed amendment of 125th amendment, which is going to come. Now, this we must be very clear. Uranium has become a very big issue. Now, if you bring in Article 371 like has happened in Nagaland, with regards to oil, because Nagaland is an oil-rich state, I'll tell you that due to this controversy, due to this constitutional lacuna, Kani Jinduna haka riti haka karneka haka nika riti sinsaja dari India. What has happened? The central government says entry 53 relating to oil exploration and use of the oil. Entry 54 relating to coal and other minerals. And now, if there was uranium in Nagaland or Mizoram, they would have said under entry 3. The government of India owns this. Are we willing to risk this? Nitre ban surrender ki hok ki chongi ki badang ko ki schedule ban play ki company central government. This is the question. Now, Forrest, somebody asked me a question when they saw my interview. Why NGT passed the timber ban? NGT passed the timber ban because of the Forest Conservation Act, which falls under the concurrent list. And by the play of Article 254, where when the acts of the state government and the acts of the central government they conflict, then the acts of the central government will prevail. But we have a mechanism in the 6th schedule, Para 12AB, which says that the president shall decide whether a central act shall apply or not apply, with such exceptions or modifications. But here there is also a ruling, in the same ruling, the Supreme Court has said all acts of Parliament apply unless the District Council and the state government say it will not apply. Why? PGA you elect your representative. First, you elect somebody who knows our tradition, who knows our custom. That means he supports the matrimonial system. That is the first and foremost. Tonight when you go, I want to hear you say this. Number 2, he has to understand the situation. The intricate constitutional machinery that is there in the system. He has to understand that para 3, when you become an NDC, para 3 gives you a huge power, but don't misuse it. Don't misuse it. Because right now, the protagonists of the 600 say, 600 are misusing funds, they don't have enough funds, MDCs do not have power. With the 135th Amendment, you'll have more powers than even MLAs. Because nobody can touch the provisions of the 600 and the para 3. The state government, neither the state government nor parliament can have a say in this. And on your shoulder, my young brother, falls the responsibility to safeguard our future. And we safeguard it not by going into the street and shouting and making people mad. We safeguard it by knowing the law, by knowing the constitutional provisions, and above all, love the poor, fight for their rights, because we have to open our mouths to speak. We have to defend the poor and needy. This is what has been put to us by God. And in closing, I would have loved to carry on, but time constraints there. What we sang, from darkness into light. I hope that this short speech of mine, this short presentation of mine, will at least open the window, if not the door, to the light. Thank you very much.
Wat kumju rugi ya sinsilun ya kepala tadi di tren bah kambing ka kawai thesis dari artali thesis di kumlogin persyak berpendam po si pogin ya kawai ka thesis dari artali thesis kalau kau ada kata-kata hari kata tahu nimbio ya ban ya keren kan ya kibab di bentar tata kadau nak lihat ni jonga kam ko asu benelit saka bentai ibagi Dr. Fenala dan Dr. Namlan ilada keren ilada pasar jumut lupa ano batai ju ega lais pak nyo kuai ano batai ju ega sikshedul ada ki kwa berjubab ega jingli iba bobot ki pai ba no solution untuk bagi kasi jentia bat kejalan mahlia di brokawai ke kwa nyo slow ega jubab ke jingli ke benkong ke bangi keli mata kalau atau ke sikshedul bat ke artikel lais pak nyo kuai e bat ars pak lai kuai ji kilak benetrelak ha keju katrai pengiri. Lesi kata kali bukan kau ke. Hato kini kil arti ni constitutional provision kilako benetri lang hakaju katrai pengiri. Kalau siap dia saya kasih atau masuk sih area. Kata kali bukan kau. Lada diom kila benetri lang lesi kan kupno kajing yathir detai. Lada kimla benetri lang hakaju katrai pengiri. Kanu ku bakam klan banena yang kihok terkiri dulu. Kata kata dia jadi dulu. Bat kebalai. Hato ngikum rilum. Kium kirilum ke jalan kelia ngidon kambo. Ya kata artikel lais paknya kui e, bat lais paknya kui ji. Hacua begini pai sekata. Ngacua ki berkenau. Berkata artikel lais paknya kui. Ka ong bekido-kido ki ai je besarkar India ki bakta ya ka kendo, ya ki marpo kendo. Ya ka riti ka dustur bat ya kom im jo kiridum kanom terikam ha kita ki jaka berterikam ka artikel lais pak no kuai kejikli menta kalau kami nanglo kata kesan berkah atau di kinaga besandu beta ya ni komdu kani kesan berkah para noksok snong bagi kami nekomdu house dan kat kendai sepak kapsan nak kata ke Indian government act 1915 Tetapi puli ia ka section 1A ke second paragraph hantu ke kerensyai omba Governor General in Council ulang mendeklar dia kanu wajaka ku bapak buat terang bat hawa kenal ladap mendeklar dia kata ulang benar menteri kam ya borok ki ai jom ke parlimen bat jom ke province hakita ki bak buat terang nukondo kami naka section 1A Jongka Indian Independent Act 1915. But nak diketahui, lada pipet, ya kawai ke agreement, ya kebalaso yang kan yo tarik benai bakandai, kat kendai sepaat podriu. Kesorkar bila kahaban yo ya kejing menjur na usim jo kai pa khairim ban pentrikam ya kedai tili ki an hak jala hak ta hak lai tili kisnom ya kebagi tip tentang ki monstol liti ya ini dulu ada kuat mengingala air ini sibet awal pinomla pentrikam ya kinu ki an kidam kejing menjur na kalau ban yo ya kejing menjur pidon kam ya konsen hak tu ko por kisim kini kino sensa apa kan konsil pihak beliau yang kejing menjur. Nah, lor kata, ilah benar keren constitution, hari ini berkelet yang garuk jom constitution jom India, kapoi assignment commission report kat kedai sepak lepo. Lalu pimpin assignment commission report kat kedai sepak lepo, kat report kalau si sepak lepo, kongkum no batu ai, bagi ai ke masyarakat India, bagi ai jom provin kimdei berterikam haki backward area, lalu haki taki bagi kot ki excluded area and partially excluded area. Ha, the government of India act kat kedai sepak lai pusat, kabudai ke temai ke constitution dari India mentang. Ke section kedai buai ke kedai buah, kedai buai kong and then kita ke excluded area bagi partially excluded area, bagi section kedai buah kong bagi ai jom ke sorkar India bagi ai semua province kingdom terikam haki partially excluded area bagi excluded area. Kita ki belanja hakapor bagi sorkar pareng esensial ya kini kicaka kini. Kini baru kirung hamno hak konsen India. Nikong tu kirung hakani ke konsen jo India Muslim khat dai pak sanpo bala adab ya karung nikong tu lalu pipet hakapara 5 jom ke 5th schedule. Hakapara 5 jom ke schedule kongkum no kong governor ulak bono penterikam ya kino ki anjong ke sorkar India haki schedule ini. Om dei kata bentang kong bagi anjong ke sorkar India bagi anjong ke sorkar Salakim terikam haki tribal area kadung hakapara khaar jom ke schedule. Lalu dipuli kepada khadat kepada dan hadu mentah ke jala asam. Kong kanu ke anjing masyarakat salah kadung terikam haki tribal area. Lalu terikam ru pila penbet yaki kedung kajing yahab jom ketu kejakat lani pila ban pentela belumala lani modify yaka kadung kajing adai jom ketu area. Padom dei tetap perkhatan akaparak arbi kong governor ulak belum penterikam yang kino ki anjing ke parlimen hak tribal area. Kam dei tengah custom, kam dei tengah land and resources, kam dei tengah religious. Any law of the parliament, the governor, ngan cupuli ni. Clause B on the governor may by notification direct that any act of the parliament of the state legislature of the state which may provide by the provision of this paragraph shall not apply or shall apply to an almost council or shall apply to such district or any part thereof subject to such exemption, modification as he may specify in the notification. The governor mean what? Mean the state government. Even if the government of India pass the CEA, the state government can simply say, we will not implement it. Kata, kadai katamai, jom kadai kebangi keren, baru si kata. Kadai kerang don, hak ariti pendekam jom kaki India kita. Itu kiba kiperlok kijomi kibong, baka artikel lain sepak yo kuai, kumno kadon hapo nagalan. Pitem nem ya kecil sisa. Baka nagalan kadon arbon ta, kadon kanaga hills, bak kanaga tribal area. Ya kebaki om ke isten nagalan bata. Hakastin hak hapor bala penterika nikong du ya kesik schedule, lan lawan ra nikong du ya kesik schedule. Kanaga hill bak kanaga tribal area ka hak hapor ya kesik schedule. Tangba namat bagi naga kimla dan blik pediam. Ya kata belum bagi naga ke hak hapor aja ka asam. Lalu ke hak lagi dia optional dan stand up ya kidis. Tapi initially naga hill and naga tribal area fall under 6 schedule. Pet ka original 6 schedule nadu pasal kalau muda. Hadin kata apa? Kidon kitu ki agency kawan ke 16 point of agreement anda lawan ke 16 point of agreement kisah shim ya kini ki benta je ke schedule kisah tho ha kalai spak ni kuwe kamdei ko kalai spak ni kuwe ga mi la ko jok em ki shim na ka schedule ki tho ha kalai spak ni kuwe la ki pulit the entire life spak ni kuwe ki susu tho ba blend dari ke jok Then haba kadai keju kumno pitho artali ki constitutional provision ha keju ka tribal area it cannot be. Kabla belum lalu dia. Lalu pisin di constitution kum ka novel book benetho kana puruskan kolom. Lalu pisin di constitution kum ganti pendekam ha kesesya kadar kabla along is not possible. How can two constitutional provision apply in the same tribal area? It cannot be. Kata kali ke bang ishak bansu thu no boleh take history juga. Kubang kata ka para 12 original para 12 jatuh schedule kadai kalai sebab ni kuih. Ke ba pinpet ke Mizoram ni kau hadir bagayo ya kulu syahin. Hakapor pa kadang don kulu syahin. Mizoram ka sana lain tuli ki regional council. Kalai ke cakma berpamara. Nado kadang-kadang kung sahil na dan pa likely the regional council. Hadin ba kinayo yang union territory gimizo kita perkat bakal biang ye ki baniada ki bakala ki panno yang lain sepak nya kuwe. Ki masuk non pai sa sidul. Kaya ki duna sa sidul ke jongi ba treka mo mihlia kalong ba kawan ka al kabong ba ki ay ka responsible de itu ko ki ay juga सरकार जला कि ये लोग के आयन जो सरकार जला हाथों करने का लोग legally if tested in the court of law. Kumno in one hand pio bashim ye di board of pinsan an hand pio pada terkuk ketika mereka no. I imagine if anyone challenge Article 12A in the court of law, how will the court give a judgment? It will be a very interesting thing. Now tak tahu habang ini keren ni dia. Ba ladang pai history gila kong kino melak bentrikam. But habang kita bentrikam gila ladang habang jin kawai. Kumba kumbang iok mene. Kalai sepahnya puai kene tang kawai ke paragraf yang masih cedul. Kumdo pinong baka klaim kata kabel tang kawai ke paragraf banyak kabel apa ni paragraf. Kasih cedul kan apa ni paragraf kalau mini constitution within itself. But data kalau mini constitution, kalau comprehensive, banyada yang tribal, katba ke artikel lain sebab kui kamlong kita. Nah tak tahu the need, but kamu kata kecingin keren, ya kalau sebab kui apa kejalan melihat kejongi, it does not arise. Hanya kau bengin depan yang kita, kalau bengin kamu tak kalau nilai time yang satu, original sejujurnya kau bengin yang protection under para 12 di tang. Kumbaong ketika mat di kepala dengan keren dan kita tang dia membatai hai kali dengan burom yang kebor tang ini